Wednesday Cooking with Kevin, and this week we're going to do another recipe brought to you by Catherine's Plate. We are doing Tuscan chicken bake. I'm going to warn you, it may get noisy. Len and Dorothy are here with Molly, so when Molly and Brody get going, they get going. So I'm just forewarning you. Okay, let me get my glasses on here. You need a 9 by 13 baking dish and small mixing bowl, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can slice them in half to make thin cutlets. Do it lengthwise, or I just pounded mine out because I'm horrible at cutting the chicken breast in half. Tablespoon of cooking oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I probably am not going to measure because of how we're doing the seasonings on the chicken. However, for the sauce, you need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/2 cup shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup jarred roasted red bell peppers, or sun-dried tomatoes. We are using sun-dried tomatoes. And 6 ounce of fresh bag spinach. If you can't get bag, get them in little containers like that. Preheat your oven, 425. We've already got ours preheated. So we are going to start. You gotta do with your olive oil or whatever oil you want to use. We are just going to drizzle over onto the chicken. We're using it as a binder. And then you're going to put the oil side down into the pan. And then you're just going to take some oil and just make sure the chicken is coated with the oil. Okay. Just going to go rinse my hands off. Okay. Alright, now we are going to put our seasonings on top of the chicken. So we're just going to start with the salt. The pepper. And garlic powder. Onion powder. So we did black pepper, onion powder, paprika. Now, I got 2 different paprikas out. Smoked, not smoked. Some people don't like smoked paprika, but Catherine did use this, and I prefer the smoked paprika. So we are going to use that. This the smoked paprika is going to give it a nice flavor. And some Italian seasoning. All right, that is everything for the dry ingredients on top of the chicken. Now we're gonna do the wet. So you need a bowl and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I just realized I need my dishwasher's still hot because I put it on this afternoon. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Okay. Oh, she doubled the batch. That's right. So I gotta. I'll put a little extra in. Okay. A 1/4 of black pepper. I think we just got a little bit out there. Measurements can all be relative. Oh. And I knew that was going to happen with that black pepper. Okay. Oh yeah. So we want to get all that stirred in. Now we're going to add in our teaspoon of cornstarch. Now this is to help thicken that sauce. And I'm not going to put a bit extra. Then I'm going to do a 1/2 cup of Parmesan and our roasted or sun-dried tomatoes. Now, I'm just going to pour this over our chicken. Okay, that is it. We're going to put that in the oven. Says 16 to 20 minutes, but until your chicken is cooked. So. Okay, when we are ready to taste test it, we will bring you back. Okay, there's one more step actually before we get to the taste test. That's the spinach. Okay, so we're just gonna take our spinach, throw it everywhere. We're just gonna put it in here. We're going to cover tin foil. And we're going to let it sit while we're cooking our egg noodles. That's it. We'll be back for the taste test. Okay, we are here for the taste test. I forgot to mention, with the chicken, you can do it with rice, pasta, noodles. We've done it with egg noodles. Something a little different. So here we go.
Everybody dig in and tell us what you think. Could I have the butter though, because I like it on my veg. What is this? Spinach.
Spinach.
Oh.
So it's got spinach, sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, here we go.
Anybody for a dinner bun?
That is delicious.
Is it?
It is. Okay.
Well, let them give their
All right.
opinions too.
Real good.
Yeah?
Well,
Yeah.
So far, so good. Haven't
There you
tasted
go.
meat yet.
I was gonna say if she can keep it on her fork.
Mmm.
All right.
That was really
I think the jury's in. They all like it.
No, because I haven't given my opinion.
Well, you need to hurry up. Instead of buttering your bun, stuff your face.
No. Mmm. Delicious.
That's really nice.
Okay, there you go. A 4 out of 4. Everybody, thumbs up.
Yep.
Okay, thanks for joining us this week. Like I said, thank you again to Catherine's Plate. Your recipes are always good. Like I always tell folks, too, you can modify her recipes. She doesn't care. Matter of fact, if you have a show, you modify your recipes. Somebody got foot stepped on or something. Anyways, she likes that. She enjoys seeing people do that with her recipes. Anyways, it's getting noisy in here, so as I always say every week, I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. Thank you very much.